So today I'm going to show you how you can make money with this browser called Brave, and what are the benefits of this browser. My name is VIDIQ Pinto. Welcome to my channel. So this browser basically is a new browser which helps you to block ads. I know it's annoying sometimes watching ads all the time, and also how you can get paid is fast, 3 times faster than the normal browser. It helps you to save time, block ads, and block trackers, which is amazing. You get paid by using as well this browser. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can set up this browser, how you can set up with different ways of earning on this video. I know this video gonna be a little bit longer, so as a beginner many times it's very difficult to get started with new platform. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step every single aspect that you need to know about this platform. Now, just for a quick reminder, let me just show you here. I can open CNN on the Chrome browser. You see that there is an ad here. This is an ad and there's another ad. Now if I open CNN on the Brave browser, you will see that there is no ad. Everything is blocked. Every tracker is blocked, so which is amazing. That's why this is one of the best features for me that is encouraged me to use this browser as well, because it's annoying to see ads all the time. And the other thing that you will see is that if you scroll down, right, they block ads, and you scroll down, you have more privacy in this one, and you can earn rewards and support content creator as well. So if you have a YouTube channel, if you have a Twitter, or maybe a Reddit account, or any other platform, you can get paid as well. So stay tuned on this video. Let's get started. The first thing, use the link below. Download Brave. You need to follow me because there are some things that it's a little bit tricky, it's a little bit difficult, and you need to follow me with this step by step. Use the link below and let's go. After the installation process, this is the page that you are going to see. You can turn your rewards right away. Just by now, you can see this is your dashboard. Let me turn my rewards right now. Means that, okay, my rewards are turned, it's on, and you see this is a brand new account. And at the same time, you need to turn on your Brave ads. Means that they will send you once in a while ads to watch, so you're gonna watch ads and then get paid. I mean, it's different, okay guys, it's different. It's not the same as the one you used to see. Turn on the on and our ads is on, and you will see you will get rewarded in basic attention token. This is another cryptocurrency, and believe me, this is something brand new, and if you are using right now, you can save a lot of time, you can save a lot of money, you can have a lot of money, you can save time, and it's loads faster, as I already said in the beginning. And so this is something very, very, very important. Now you can say, okay, now how I can earn money. So let me show you other ways to get paid by simply navigating through the web. When you click and learn more, you will see how you can manage your rewards, how many times you want to see ads so that you can get paid. Now remember to verify your wallet. This is something very important, okay? Verify wallet. Just click here, verify wallet, because if you don't verify your wallet, if you don't verify your account, you will not get paid, okay? It's very crucial to verify your wallet and authorize that you are going to use it. Now to verify your wallet, they also use another account which will hold your wallet. It's called uphold. The process is simple. It's just step by step. Just insert your email and everything will gonna be used for this occasion. Remember, this is something legit, so it means that we require from you to send your ID. It's easy, simple. Finish this process, and I'm going to show you another one. And then you need to verify with your email. Go to your email, open your email, and just simply verify. In step number 4 will be your address. Just fill up the form with your address, current address right now, and let's go to the last step. And the last step basically will be to verify your ID. Now remember, and on this step you can use your smartphone or you can use your webcam. You decide. You can use your phone or you can use your webcam. Which one is better for you? You decide. The first one is your phone, smartphone, and the second one will be your webcam. When you send your ID, and then you will need to take a selfie with your camera, they will verify everything. I believe that using your computer will be much easier. For now, my verification data has been successfully submitted. Continue. Okay, now I'm verified. I sent my ID, I took the selfie that they asked me for, and now it's done. This is the verification process. Guys. It doesn't require that much. I did all the things in just 10 minutes, and now I'm able to earn money. Before I show you something else, just a reminder, if you don't see this Brave browser card right here, you will see on the top your Brave rewards, and just click on Brave rewards, and you will see that your wallet is verified, and after a few minutes you will see your card. If you still don't see your card, you can simply click on add card or currency. Now the basic thing that you can see here on this dashboard, Apple dashboard, is basically that all these cards, you can have all these cards, right? And you can transfer money or cryptocurrencies from card to another card. Let's say I'm going to use the Brave browser, and click Brave browser. You can send to Apple card, to Bitcoin card, or to any other cards. Okay, just confirm, select the card that you want and confirm, and you will send the money to a different card. Or you can send them also to your bank account. It's easy, simple. I'm in Portugal right now, that's why you can see here Portugal, and I selected my IBAN, already this, and BIC, and you send the money to your bank account. Very, very simple, easy. And if you want, you can comment below and I can talk a little bit more about it, and so that you don't get lost using this app old. Now let's go back to where we were. Now let's go to the fun part. The fun part will be how you can earn basic attention token, which is the currency that we are using, the cryptocurrency that we are using. So open a new tab, and then on your top click on this Brave rewards icon and head over to reward settings. Now the first method will be to watch ads or viewing ads, and we will get paid. Now you need to go to your settings so that you can set up and how many ads you want to see per day, and for each ad that you will see, you will get paid. Now let me click here, ad settings, and then I can watch more than 1 ads per day. I can watch more than 3 ads per day, or better, I can watch more than 1 or 2 ads per hour. I'm gonna put 5 ads per hour. 5 ads per hour, and that's it. It means that every hour I'm gonna get 5 ads, and for all these 5 ads I'm gonna get paid every time that I click on and I see the ads, which is the first method that we're gonna get paid. So now you're saying how I can see the ads. You will see the notification here, on this area on your top right corner, and you will see the notification. And when the notification comes, you just click on the notification and you will get paid. Simple as that. And this is the first method, and let's go to the next method that I'm going to teach you how we can make it. As we go, an ad may pop up and I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's go to the next one. The next one will be monetization as a creator or a publisher. It doesn't really matter if you have a Twitter account, if you have a YouTube account. If you're a YouTuber, you can earn also money here on this browser. Now, if you don't see this page, you can simply open a new tab, and then the new tab you can click on this Binance. You will see this Binance, and then click on learn more, and you will see this tab right here, or maybe this one. It doesn't really matter. And the thing that you're gonna have to click is on the content creator menu, and then click on the overview. Open the overview so that you can connect your YouTube account or Twitter or anything else, so that you can earn also money doing that. Just sign up. Okay, sign up. Let me sign up right now. I'm gonna sign up with my YouTube account. Finish the process. It's all easy, guys. All easy. Okay, guys, when you insert your email to sign up, they will send you a link on your email account. You just need to log into your email account, and then you can get the link to verify that your email is really legit, and then you just sign up. It's easy process. Now, guys, the last method will be by referrals. Now, the referral is a new program which is very good. If you have friends, you can invite your friends to use these referrals, to use this browser, and you're gonna get paid. But before that, remember, that's why I went through all this process, because they need to confirm the account, they need to install the account. They need to download, install, and then confirm. All this process that I went through a few minutes ago is what they need to do. They cannot, maybe they will not go until to the creator page, but they need to do other stuff as well to confirm, and they need to use for at least 30 days. Now let me open this. Now if you don't see that, you will see here referrals. You just click get started. I did a few minutes ago, and my computer didn't record at the time, so I don't know why. And then if you want to see more details, you can see details here. And when it happens, you're going to show you that for some countries, for instance United States, they will pay you $7 an hour, and other countries $6, $5, $4, and $4 depending on where your referrals are coming from. So this is something very good. This is something that you should get yourself into, and because we want to help you also to get more and more people. Now, are you gonna get your link? You will see that you're gonna get your link when you get started. You will get to this page. Congrats, your promo is activated. You just copy this link, and if you don't see that, you can go over here and then referral link. You copy this link and send to your friends and to people that you want to invite. Now, just to show you something, for instance, if you can invite people from United States, which they pay $7, all the people on your home, let's say on your house, people that you know, family, let's say you have at least 4, your parents and your 2 sisters, or maybe 2 brothers, or whatever, multiply by 7.5, it will be $30. And if you have friends, let's say you invite more 10 friends, it will be at least $105 in total. So this is something very good. Also, if you want, you can implement this will be something that you want to get into. And I think that I filmed already, but I didn't show you exactly. I filmed, but it didn't run through. My computer was not saving the recording. Just to remind you, the YouTube channel, you if you want to add a YouTube channel, you just click add again, add, add, and then you can add another YouTube channel, website, Twist, Reddit or GitHub, whatever you want. And then how you can get paid with that? You will get paid by when people go to your channel, or they are watching your YouTube channel, and then you click here on this Brave Rewards. And when they click here, they can send tip. Now my account is not verified yet because I signed it up a few minutes ago, and it takes 24 to 48 hours to verify my account. Now let me show you with this other account. Simply click on this Brave Rewards, and then because this account is verified, let me send a tip. If you want to send a tip, so people can send the same as well on YouTube or other platform, or maybe your website, depending on the way you link your account. They can tip you one basic attention token, maybe 10 tokens or 100 tokens. As you will see that 100 basic attention token is valued at 24 USD, and they can tip you with monthly or maybe just one payment. It all depends on the way they decide to tip you. So people can send you to you. This is something which is amazing, and I encourage you to start doing it right now, and will be something very, very, very interesting. So just for now, right now, we have 198 ads and trackers blocked, which is amazing. And one HTTPS upgrades, 10 seconds that we saved, which is good, very good. You can save even more and more and more. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it's very long, but don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and in the next video I'm going to show you different ways to earn more and more and more. In this channel you're going to learn how to be an entrepreneur, how to make money online, and many things in between. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you on the next one, mate.